Hello? Heading to the hospital today?
Yes, I have a doctor's appointment.
Which hospital are we going to?
City General Hospital on Main Street.
Do you need help getting in the car?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
Is it an emergency?
No, just a checkup.
Do you want me to drive slowly and carefully?
Yes, please, I'm not feeling very well.
Which entrance should I drop you off at?
The outpatient clinic, please.
How long will your appointment be?
About an hour, I think.
Do you want me to wait for you?
No, I'll book another Grab later.
Would you like me to turn off the radio?
Yes, that would be nice.
We've arrived at the hospital.
Thank you so much for the ride.